Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Chevy Camaro key fob here. It works for these models 2016 and 2024. You don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2032, and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is look over to this side right here and you see this small button. Now press this small button and right after that just pull this mechanical key out. Alright, now when you hold the fob like this with the buttons facing down, right on this side, when you remove the mechanical key, right on this side you see this hole. Now take this mechanical key and with the tip only here, insert the tip only in this hole like this, twist it a little bit, push up, and yeah, the whole idea here is just to separate this fob into two pieces. So you need to remove this back piece over here. Now when you separate this fob into two pieces like this, right after that on this side you see your old dead battery. Alright, now to remove the battery, take the small flat screwdriver or the mechanical key and just insert the tip here or here and just push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery here in the same place, just install your new battery, and very important step here, make sure this side is the negative side. So this here is very important. Alright, now when you insert your new battery over here with the negative side facing up here, these two pieces, take them again, make sure all corners match perfectly, so everything have to fit perfectly here, and just snap them together. Alright, now when you snap them together, here take this mechanical key again and put it back inside the fob just like in the beginning, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.